Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My Polestar 2 has 4 ways to open the boot. Option number 1. Use the key and press and hold the button and it will open. Press and hold it again and it will close. Option number 2. There is a button hidden here in the middle. Press and hold and the boot will open. And to close, use one of these buttons. Option number 3. Use the kick sensor. Just a small kick and the boot will open. And use the kick again and the boot will close. Option number 4. It's in the car. You need the steering wheel. You have a small button. Press and hold and the boot will open. Press and hold again and the boot will close. These were the 4 ways of open and closing the boot of my Polestar 2. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the notification bell for more EV and Polestar 2 related videos. As always, thanks for watching and see you later.